we're going to do a Nerf war, me and Josh. First one to 5 wins. Okay, Josh, now you can set up the camera.
Say hi to the camera, kitty.
That's our new cat, by the way.
Yeah, so we're ready. Get your guns ready.
Okay.
So it's first kills to 5. So if I kill Gus 5 times, he's out. And that's the game finish, okay? If he kills me 5 times, game's out. I'm out. So 3, 2,
I'm going to
1, go.
No! Yeah! No, I'm making a video, Rita.
I'm loading.
Oh. Okay. So it's tied now.
Go,
No!
Even 3.
Okay, basically.
I've been killing 2 more times. He's out.
No! No!
But I
No! One more! No, 2 more.
got you. You missed.
Yes!
Got you. Yeah, got you.
No, you missed!
Yeah.
No, you missed! Not 2, we tied.
No.
Yeah?
Got you.
You got 1 more.
No.
Yes, 1 more. No!
Got you.
No! Okay. Josh wins. Okay. That's gonna be it. Josh! Stop it.
Thank you guys. Subscribe and like the video. And hit the bell to get every day this guy's vlogs. Okay? Bye.